What would be some advice that you would give traders that are trying to navigate these volatile markets? If you could give one piece of advice, what would it be?
So I won't encourage you to go and look at the boring stuff of how derivatives are priced and how some of these work. I'm a little wonky. I do enjoy stuff like that, but I know it's not everyone's forte. They don't have the interest and the gumption to go and do it. But if you wanted to really utilize volatility, there's very simple means of doing it. It's as accessible as looking at something like the VIX, which is very applicable to many measures of the market, starting with the measure like that. If you have any exposure in a market that has an association to just general risk trends, risk appetite. So in other words, if the rise or fall, significant rise or fall in something like the S&P 500, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, has a meaningful impact on the market that you're interested in, then the VIX is also fairly good at giving you at least some heads up about volatility. And you can also, if you're take any look at charts, you can look at something like an average true range, often considered an ATR, and just see what is the general level of activity for this market. So if I see an average true range suggests that an average day for this market that I'm looking to get interested in is $3. Yeah. And I am looking for an exposure and I expect it to last, let's say I want it to last a month, but I only put it $1 away. Well, $1 fits a third of the day's range. I'm very likely to hit that, whether it's a good thing or bad thing, within a very short amount of time, not the longer term that I'm looking to do. So it can give you very practical expectations about how you should approach the markets, how much time it takes. I think a lot of people do not consider the time that their trade will be on, and they should. And volatility can absolutely help with that. And sometimes it just tells you, maybe I should consider another market or sitting on the sidelines until the volatility passes.